Get paid in passive income with this brand new strategy that I'll share with you in today's video. You can start as a beginner and also for absolutely free. Just make sure to follow me till the end of this tutorial since I will explain everything step by step. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that are new to this channel that if you haven't already, you can subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, and I'm going to get you notified each time we upload brand new strategies just like these ones on how to make money online. Also, if you like this type of content, you can give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion about this tutorial. With that said, I'm going to start with this video so I can show you every single step, and I'm going to give you multiple steps actually to make this strategy work, so just stay tuned until the end so you can get the desired results. And your very first step is to come over to the first platform for today that you're going to combine with others as well, just like I said before, and this one is called Uplip. This is over at uplip.com. This is a platform where you can buy Instagram followers and grow your account faster. They offer you fast delivery, 24/7 support, and you can start with $3. And they have been mentioned in Forbes, Social Media Explorer, New York Post, BuzzFeed, and so on. So this is a legit platform and it has a lot of potential. If you scroll down, you're going to notice some other features as well that are going to be relevant for us later on, because today we're not going to just spend money over to Uplip in order to grow our Instagram account. We are here in order to make money, and we are going to do so through their affiliate program. But first of all, you need to see some other features as well, just like you can get more followers. They won't ask for your password, they are fast, and also they have the best service. So if you scroll down, there are some other features as well, so you can get more followers for less than a cup of coffee, because as we saw before, you can start from $3. So you just need to scroll all the way down till the bottom of this page in order to find their affiliate program section, and you're going to find it underneath the learn section. Just click on affiliates, and in the next page you're going to see all of the relevant features for us as an affiliate. And you're going to also check out at the end of this video the traffic source that I'm going to mention today for you to just set it up on autopilot and make money again and again and find the perfect customer for this actually. So you're going to notice over here that you can help others grow their Instagram audience, and you're going to get commissions for that. You can become an affiliate for absolutely free, just like I said before. You can even be a beginner. You're going to see that they have no hidden cost. You just need to find and generate your customer URL. You're going to find your own affiliate link that you can start sharing with people, and also with the traffic source that I am going to show you today, you can track your earnings and get paid, because they pay you 30% commission for every order that your customer places with Uplip. So you're going to notice over their pricing plans that you can find once you come over to their homepage, and you're going to find it up here, that they offer different pricing plans from $3, $5, $9, but even up to $29, and you're going to make 30% of one of these plans. Of course, it is not a lot of money, but the thing is that in this way you can find even more customers to purchase this, because people are going to be drawn by the cheap price, and they're going to just get one of these prices, and you're going to get paid for that. So it is a nice feature actually, because it means that you can find even more customers for that, and I'm going to show you where to find all of these people. So back to their affiliate program page, we are going to see some other features as well. For example, you're going to have your own dashboard. You can track every order. You can get paid on time. They offer good commissions, just like we saw before. It has a simple setup. Also, they are transparent, and you're going to track your own progress, and they offer a dedicated support team, so you can ask them any question that you have. Just click on become an affiliate today in order to sign up for a free account, and you're going to be able to get your affiliate link. Once you get that, you're going to proceed with this next step, which is optional, but I highly recommend you do it, since it's going to help you grow your chances of getting even more customers and therefore more money. I highly recommend that you go over to Bitly. This is over at bitly.com, and this is a platform where you can just shorten links in order for them to look more professional. For example, if you just paste your link over here and click on the shorten button, it's going to be shortened with Bitly, and it's not going to contain the name of the website anymore, because as you may know, most of the affiliate links contains a website on them, so it means that people can see the name of the website and they are going to guess that you are promoting something. But like this, they are not going to know which website you're talking about. They are going to click on that. They can go over to the pricing plans, just purchase one of those plans, and they can make money again and again, and most importantly in passive income, because you can just set this up once and then you can just sit back and relax and enjoy your profit. And I'm going to show you the traffic source that you can use for today, a traffic source that have millions of visitors every single month. That's why it's perfect for this strategy. But make sure to stay tuned, because I'm going to show you a trick for you to find people that are really interested in this kind of websites to grow their Instagram account and so on. So what you can do is to go over to Quora. Quora is a community-based platform where people gather in order to discuss about different things, and they also ask and answer questions. And you're going to create an account for free by continuing with your Google account or Facebook account, or you can just do that manually by putting your email address and name and then click on the next button in order to proceed with the sign up process. Once you create your account, it's going to look like this. You'll be able to see even the categories in the left hand side, just like health, science, books, visiting and travel, business, history, technology, and so on. You're going to also see the search bar up here when you're going to just search for how to grow your followers on Instagram. So this is going to be our strategy today. You're going to just search on Quora how to grow your followers on Instagram, and you're going to find a lot of people that are asking about this kind of question. You're going to help them grow on Instagram. They are willing to just try out new websites and so on in order to grow their Instagram page, and they can start for really cheap over here as we saw before. So I guess that you can get a lot of customers by just referring them over to Uplift. You're going to go through some of the best features that Uplift offers. Just mention that they can start from $3, which is less than a cup of coffee, and also the other features as well that we mentioned even before. You need to just explore this website on your own a little bit. After that, you're going to paste your affiliate link next to that, and even people that are going to search for this kind of question, they can see your response after some months, and they can still give it a try and make you money again and again. And I want to mention this trick. What you need to do actually to find people that are recently interested in this kind of question, you can just go over to buy time and just sort it by past day, past hour, past week, or past month, and you're going to find people that are recently interested, because you have people that have even asked this kind of question like 7 months ago or 1 year ago and so on. Just do this trick in order to find people that are interested these days about this kind of question, and they can just purchase one of these plans and make you money again and again. And also Quora is being visited by more than 579 million of people every single month, so it has a lot of potential to get you a lot of customers and therefore a lot of money. That's why it is the perfect traffic source for this. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. I really hope that you like it, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.